We just 3x'd our investment on this cryptocurrency project. We did a video yesterday. Within 24 hours, I invested $350 right here. That has now become $1,063 plus $78 interest. So in less than 24 hours, we have tripled our money. We went from 350 to what? About 1150, somewhere around there. So this is BOM Money. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. It is a clone or a fork of Tomb Finance, which pretty much 8,000x in 3 months on the Phantom blockchain. I mean, just huge success. Tomb was very, very big, and this is a clone of that. It's a fork. So I had a good feeling about this. It's high risk, obviously. This has only been out, I think, for less than a week. But with high risk also comes returns like this when you get it right. So if you watched our video yesterday, you would see that we called this one and in 24 hours have tripled our money. And we're going to increase our position on this now. I think this is just getting started. It is a new project, it's catching momentum. This is not financial advice. Okay, cryptocurrency investing is risky. You need to do your own research, and I'm not telling you to invest in this. This is high risk and you can lose all of your money. But research, do your own research. And this just shows you what's possible with crypto investing. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you're not subscribed, you need to subscribe. These videos are time sensitive. You need to know the new projects. You need to know timing is important, when to get in, what to get in on. And I just present the opportunities. I do not tell you what to invest in. It is your money. You need to do your own research. But this is what you can do. Pretty awesome. We 3x'd our money. I'm wishing now that I would have invested a lot more in this yesterday, but it's okay. Like I said, I think it's still getting started. So that's it for the update. Subscribe to the channel for more cryptocurrency investments. God bless.